go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're on our way to Oklahoma to meet some new people and pick up something new for the homestead. Y'all take a time right now and go down in the comments and guess. Everybody but Lou, I think he already knows. And yeah, there's a couple of that already know but don't need to guess. Pause it right now and guess and tell me what I'm going to get. Alright. I'm going to bring you back on the way up there. When I cross into Oklahoma, I'll show you the river if I can when we go across. I know the windshield's dirty, yo. Look, Lou, it's farm country all up in here. Big Red River. We are in Oklahoma.
My name's Marie from our Okie Homestead. We've had a small farm here in southeast Oklahoma. November this year will be 21 years, actually. We kind of had issues with our health, and so a lot of things have kind of fell into a state of neglect. And now that I'm up and on my feet better, I'm trying to get things back in line and in control. And we transitioned from raising horses to goats, and we're also raising turkeys and then chickens, and I think that's it. The dogs and cats might argue about that, I don't know. But that's it pretty much. It's me and my husband, and then our youngest son has a home here on the property with us with his family, and then oldest daughter and her family have a home out here with us too. So at different times you might see different members of the family on here helping me get some stuff done, which is always much appreciated.
Alright. Alright, everybody. We came up here to get something, and I didn't tell y'all what we're going to get. Y'all know I want goats. Am I going to get a goat or a turkey? And y'all go check her out, our Okie Homestead. We've been following each other, what, 2 or 3 years? 2 years?
It's been a while.
At least. Y'all go check them out. I'll have them tagged in the description. And I'll show you what we're finna get.
And we're neighbors.
And
we're actually neighbors.
Virtually we are neighbors. Y'all know I was working in Longview. It takes me about 50 minutes to drive to Longview. It takes me about 50 minutes to drive up here. We live on the same side of the same highway.
Yep.
Gotta be neighbors. I've been filming the whole way up here.
Oh yeah, it's pretty dry.
There we go. We got the Toms from Girlfriends. Now they're still gonna fight. We don't have but 3. We're gonna be on the hunt for at least a couple more. And we're gonna have free ranging gray slates and Rocky Branch. Homestead, I got a surprise for y'all. Y'all are gonna love it. Y'all got some girlfriends. Y'all get to meet them here in a minute. Alright. We got them home. Boys over here inspecting already. Alright, lifers, y'all go check them out at their channel. I got it linked in the description below. Our Okie Homestead, I sure appreciate it. They're on the hill safely. I got them a roost in there, got water in there, fitting to feed them. And the males are digging it already. So I sure appreciate it. And everybody go check him out, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.